Hello again, everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to add files and YouTube videos and links to the Wikispaces page. Again, just to re-emphasize, the goal of this whole thing is to get as many people as possible to add as much material as possible so we all have some really cool stuff to pull from whenever we're planning our CDAs. So let's say, for example, that you have a document that you want to add to a page. I'm just going to go down to this wiki training page to show you how to do it. This is the page that we use to just practice using Wikispaces. So all you have to do is click the edit button, just like that, and you'll see this screen pop up. There's lots of different word processing features here. You can bold, italicize, underline. You can change the color, center, left, right, justify, change the size, change the font, and everything. But let's just say you just want to add a file. And what's been happening is people are emailing all these files, and that's wonderful, but sometimes we tend to forget where we put our emails. Sometimes we don't open them, and it's not the most efficient way to store files. So we would like to get everybody to try to move their files to the website so we can all access them, so everybody can see them and where they go. And the other great thing is you can add comments. This is a file about whatever it is your file is about. So it's just as simple as attaching a file to an email. You simply click Insert Images and Files here, and you click Upload Files. And you'll see it is the exact same window as when you attach an email. You simply search your hard drive for whatever it is you want. Let's go to the foreign language drive. Let's say we want to add this great PowerPoint here. You double click it, you wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a little second to finish. And right now the file is simply uploaded to Wikispaces and it's not on a particular page. So we have to make sure after it finishes loading that we click the file to add it to the page. And it's there. And again, you can add explanation. This is a file, this is a PowerPoint presentation that explains blah blah blah. After that, you click Save, and it's there. So instead of attaching a file to an email, you can simply attach a file to the Wikispaces page, and it will be there whenever we want to look at it. So you can go to our CDA planning page, you can find the unit that the file corresponds to, and you can do that same procedure. So you go to the page, you click Edit, you find where you want to put your file, and you upload it, and it appears just like that on the page. So that is how you upload a file. If you want to add a YouTube video, I have here a video about daily routine. I just put it on mute. It's got some captions in English, but it's mostly just pictures. I put it on mute, and I get my students to narrate it once we know the vocabulary, or I narrate it with the vocabulary as they're learning it. I want to add this to the French 2 Unit 4 page. So what I'm going to do to add this YouTube video is I'm going to do the same thing, edit, and I'm just going to add it right here at the top, and I'm going to, instead of adding a file, I want to embed a widget, and this is how you add a YouTube video here. So you go to Widget, you click Video, you click YouTube, and it asks you for a code, and it's like, oh no, I have to be a programmer to do this. Not at all. You simply find the video on YouTube, click Share, Embed, right here, copy, and paste the code in the box. And it's there. You click Save, and there's your video. And you can play it straight from YouTube. And just to help organize a little bit, I can add a little line here, and I can add a caption saying, use this video to teach daily routine vocabulary. So everything that we can do on email with the exact same speed, with just a little bit more organization now. We have it on the Wikispaces page, and it's there. And if I want to move it somewhere else later on, I can move it there. You can do the exact same process for a Prezi. I have here a little Passé Composé Prezi. If you'll notice on Prezi, there's also an embed code. You simply copy and paste when it lets you. Yep, there it goes. And you're good to go. So you can even copy the code to your clipboard. And you do the same process. You go to widgets, and you can add that Prezi. So for example, French 3, Unit 4, we're talking about last weekend. I haven't added my amazing Prezi to this yet. So I'll go to widget. I'll just go to other HTML. If you can't find it here on the widgets, all you have to do is go to other HTML. Find your embed code. Copy. Hopefully this will work. Paste. There it is. Save. And now we have a Prezi presentation on Wikispaces. So we don't have to remember where we put it. We don't have to search for it. It's right here forever. So just real quick, just wanted to show everybody how you can add things to it. It's pretty simple, just a matter of copying an embed code for a YouTube video or going through the same process that we go through to attach an email, to attach a file to an email address. That's how we add files, and that works for PDF files, PowerPoint files, Word files. They all work the same way. So for the next video, I think I'll talk about how to add links and also how to create a new page and link to that new page. So hope you enjoyed, hope this was helpful. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or give me any feedback. Thanks so much.